Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is February the 4th. We're out here in the Cummings, Georgia area. Beautiful home. This is a client that actually found me online. They called me about 2 weeks ago when they was closing on this house, moving in. I never came out and looked at it. They got me some pictures, also the measurements, and we're going to be doing a screen and recoat close to 1,300 square feet on the main floor with the UV cure. I just met the homeowner for the first time. They do know me from my videos, so that really gives them a good comfort level of who I am and what my company does. I also booked 3 appointments this morning. 2 new estimates came in. I also have another client that found me online in Flowery Branch. I sent her a proposal. She signed off on it, and she said she watched probably over 20 of my videos, so she knew what to expect. So what we're going to be doing here, and also too, I got one of my other students with us today, so it's 4 of us out here. So let me show you what we're going to be doing today, guys, on this project. Again, we are out here in beautiful Cummings, Georgia. This is what I consider one of my hot spots. I do a lot of jobs in Cummings, Alpharetta, Sandy Springs, of course a lot in the city of Atlanta. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. We got both trucks out. There is Noah back again. There's also T. You guys know T. And let me go introduce, there he is, Shane. Yo. Shane Blackwell is from the Durham,
Raleigh, Durham. Yeah.
Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina area. He's also been under my teaching for almost 2 years, and he was just out doing some business with his wife, so he wanted to come by and just give us a hand. He's done over 20 screen and recoats, and he's also going to be doing some more networking with me for that area. So let me show you guys what we got. We got some white pine floors. Again, beautiful, beautiful home. And we're just pulling up the vents. Just met the homeowner. Guys, look at this pool right quick. Oh, that is so beautiful. All right. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is the whole main floor. Going to give this floor a nice screening. And we're going to put the rag coat on top and UV cure it. And the movers are actually coming back today to put the furniture back. And that is one of the coolest benefits of the UV cure is furniture can come back the same day. Client also requested a low sheen. So Courtney, my husband, said we do not want shiny floors, and 95% of my clients do not like shiny floors. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. Yep. Stay tuned.
Yeah, good. Rating on this floor. Floor's gonna look amazing. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, now it's to it. Yep, I'm rolling. I just showed him how to cut in, and then he's gonna roll this entire room by himself. And I'm gonna let Shane get some, even though Shane already know what he's doing. Yep, good job, Noah. So again, this is the red coat. And the floors came out amazing. This floor looks so amazing. You know, all the old finish knocked down. Looks so much smoother. It looks cleaner. All right, guys, I'm gonna go look at a job that's only about 3 miles from here. It's a brand new floor, but they want to get their floors screen recoated with UV cure before they start putting the furniture back in. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yep, I like that. So I get that out. Perfect. Nice. Yep, get back. There you go. Nice cutting in. You got that man. Is it more? Yeah, you go. There you go. Nice. Nice. There you go. There you go, Noah. Yep. Nice.
All right, guys, we went out and looked at a floor that I'm going to be doing next week. Brand new engineered floors. The builders, well, the flooring guys got glue residue all over the floors. Did not get it off, but the client, it's a matte finish floor. They actually gave me some samples to put one semi-gloss and one satin. They want a higher sheen, and they also want to go with the UV cure. And it was like 3 miles from here. But anyway, guys, we just got back. Look how beautiful this floor looks now. Especially this kitchen area, man. It was so worn out. And that matte finish, that client that she wanted, it looks amazing on this floor. Amazing. So anyway, guys, we're just doing some UV cure now. The guys are just watching me do the UV cure. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. And the client said she'll be here about 4 o'clock. The movers are actually coming back today to move the furniture back on the floors. And yeah, man, another happy client. All right, guys, gonna finish getting this floor UV cured. Oh, the floor looks amazing. It looks beautiful. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Man, I must say, man, these floors came out amazing, nice and smooth, UV cured. There's the office area. And by the way, Miss Aruna, how did you hear about me again?
Google.
Google.
Yes.
Nice. Did you look at other companies?
I did.
And
well, yours had the highest ratings.
The highest
That's why
ratings.
I called you first.
Okay.
And I went with you.
And you went with me, right? Oh, thank you. And again, guys, I booked 3 new jobs today. Did not go out and look at them. So just like Miss Aruna, she'll tell you, they sent me pictures. They got the square footage. I gave them a price. I gave them an option with the screen or recoat, without the UV cure, screen or recoat with UV cure. And they say, let's do the screen or recoat with the UV cure. And again, man, these floors look amazing. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Shout out to my two students that came out with me today. Noah, who's still with me, he's gonna ride back to the office with me. And also Shane, who went back with Tavares. He's gonna take a Uber back to Atlanta, and he'll be heading back home tomorrow. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks again. See you in the next one.